Video for chapter 1.2. Again, a very easy one. You want to start out with a 4-inch line on the bottom, 4-inch line going up, a 1.5-inch line going across the top, a 1.2 line going up, and then just connect it here. Go across 4 and go across 4 here, and then you're going to end up with this basic shape like this. Very easy to do here. You would like change your, well, I have to change mine. I would go up 4 and go over like that, and just keep and another way to do it is just copy. You could copy this line from this point to that point, and you can see how easy it is to fill this in, and you're going to end up with this basic shape. So it's very, very simple. Just follow those steps and just try to get the picture in your mind in the beginning, your design intent. Look at how you want to approach drawing it. I try to look for some type of profile like this that I can add to get the basic shape. Now, some people like to box in, and that's just another way of doing it, and that's great. But once you, if you can see it, maybe you don't have to box it in. Maybe you can just draw it as, dimension it as you go. And either way, there's no right or wrong way to do it, but as long as you get the basic shape, and in the end you have the correct dimensions. And again, the only thing here, you're just going to I use offset quite a bit. I would offset the line down, get my center marks, offset this line over, and use the axis in, and then come down here and choose ISO circle, choose the center point, and type in your radius or diameter, whatever you need here to put in your ellipses. And that's pretty much it. Again, refer back to the video on dimensioning to get the dimensions and the text orientated properly.